Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called Sun Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card design, I chose to use some pattern paper in a creative way. I'm also using the Itty Bitty Greetings stamp set. Now, when I have a stamp set that comes in two cases, what I do is I squish it all into one case. So in case you're wondering why yours looks different, of course, if you don't have the Itty Bitty Greetings, you could use whatever fits your fancy, whatever you have in your stash, whatever. If you've purchased for me in the month of February, this is the card kit you're going to get, or something similar. So there is a little strip of white paper in this card kit, and I am stamping Hello Friend on it. Or Hi Friend, I think that says. And I'm flagging the ends, so cutting up the middle, and then each point I'm going to meet at that middle point. And then there's a little white piece of string in the kit. I usually put all the embellishment strings, that sort of thing, in a little plastic bag. So if you can't see it, look again. You'll find it in between the little pages. And I'm tying a knot, and then I will be tying a bow. I've edited that out for your viewing pleasure because it takes me at least 2.5 hours to tie a pretty bow. I'm sure you'll do much faster when you create it. So I'm just setting that aside. Now I'm using some adhesive here. This is Tombow Mono adhesive. And I'm just putting my strips on in a pleasing fashion. So today I'm using glue, but you could be using dry adhesive, whatever you want. There is no rules. All right, so I decided to butt this. This is a balmy blue strip, and I butted that right up against the fold. For this is Pretty Peacock, and for this strip I used dimensionals, and of course I abused my dimensionals. I don't know if anybody else is like me, but I don't just put 2 or 3. I mean, there's 8 on that little guy. I just don't want it to sag. I want it to be a nice flush piece. So I have adhered that slightly off to one side, and now I'm going to use glue for the rest. And again, you can play with the patterns, whatever tickles your fancy. I chose to not stray too far away from the gingham. I also noticed that I cut this gingham and that Night of Navy piece a little bit crooked. So I made sure that the right side was lined up, and then I'll just cut off the rest of that, the pink one. I think it's Lovely Lipstick. I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm trimming off that little bit there, and there we go. That's pretty much the card front. So this is the sentiment piece. I'm just putting glue on and making sure that the string catches on that glue. And it's so cute. This is a very graphic design. I really like this. So there's only one more thing left to do, and that is to fuss with the bow for another 10 minutes or so, and then put the embellishments on. And I have stuck 3 little pearls in the envelope, and I certainly hope that you do shop with me this month. I will be sending a newsletter out. If you would like to sign up for the newsletter, it's in the video description at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.